So I want to show this video and turn off this fan so it's not so loud. Make this video to show what happens when copper oxidizes, what it is, and why it isn't a problem. And anybody's having issues with scrap yards, saying that, you know, their copper's dirty or whatever when it's just oxidized, I'm gonna show you something. First I gotta get it out of the mold. Alright. Okay. You see how it automatically turned black when I took it out? Okay. Atmospheric oxygen is bonding and creating a layer over the copper. This is not corrosion. This is a protection layer. So think of oxygen as like a codependent boyfriend or girlfriend. It wants to bond with everything. So oxygen is bonding to this hot metal and it creates that black layer. Now watch this. So when I place the copper into the water and it starts to boil the water, watch what happens when the hydrogen steals away the copper's oxygen. Look at it. It all starts coming off. So that hydrogen is stealing the copper's oxygen right there that was on there because of a chemical reaction. The hydrogen wanted its oxygen back. Now you still have some oxidation on this, but that is nothing. That is just oxygen that has bonded to the surface of the copper. For reasons that, make sure it's not hot, so it can not tarnish. This rosy pink color, this kind of the orangish and all that, that is freshly melted copper's natural color. The copper color, as we call it, is not natural when it's freshly melted. So if you sit copper outside for a long time in the weather, the copper will start to bond with carbon and a copper carbonate, and it becomes the patina. These are not corrosions. These are protective layers that the copper forms to prevent it from deteriorating. Think of it like the outer layer of the copper is taking one for the team and bonding with the oxygen, so the rest of the copper didn't have to put up with it. But this is perfectly pure copper. Don't let anybody tell you it's not at a scrapyard. Don't let them say that, oh, we can't take that, it's dirty or burnt or something. All that is oxygen that has bonded to the copper, and it burns off whenever you melt it. I mean, just absolutely burns off. It goes up into the atmosphere and it'll bond with hydrogen or anything else, because again, oxygen bonds with just about everything. So do not take anything but top price for an ingot of copper, no matter even if it looks like this, because they don't understand simple chemistry, simple science. But that's how oxygen reacts to copper.